Want to improve the signal service on your iPhone? In this quick guide, I'll show you a few simple steps to get better reception. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and turn airplane mode on. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This forces your iPhone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower, which often improves signal. Next, go to the Settings app and tap Cellular. Make sure cellular data is enabled. If you're in an area with weak coverage, try switching between 5G, 4G, or LTE by tapping Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data. Sometimes changing networks can give you a stronger signal. If you're still having trouble, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can refresh your network connection. Also, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS by going to Settings, General, Software Update. And if none of these steps work, you may need to contact your carrier to check if there's an outage or if they can reset your network from their side. And that's it. You've learned a few ways to improve signal service on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.